Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Srinivas Reddy Palam. In this video, I am going to explain you about a scholarship. The name of this scholarship is Reliance Foundation Scholarship 2024-25. Scholarship up to 2 lakhs for undergraduate students and up to 6 lakh for postgrad students over the duration of the degree will be offered as part of this particular scholarship application. Okay, if you get selected, you will be given around 2 lakhs for your undergraduate course, and if you are a postgraduate student you will be given 6 lakh rupees if you at all if your expenses are such that. And eligibility criteria is given here for the Reliance Foundation Postgrad Scholarship 2024-25. The application deadline is 6th October 2024. Only students who are enrolled in the first year of a full-time regular postgraduate degree program pursuing select future ready courses in engineering, technology, energy and life sciences must have secured 552,000 in GATE examination. So here for postgraduate courses, the GATE score required is 552,000 if at all if you get selected. Okay, if you want to get selected, you should have written the GATE examination and your GATE examination score should be 552,000. Must have scored 7.55 or above in their undergraduate CGPA or percentage normalized to CGPA. If students have not attempted GATE, open for resident Indian citizens. If you have attempted GATE score, should be if you have attempted GATE examination, your GATE score should be 552,000, or if you have not written GATE examination, your CGPA should be 7.5 or above in your undergraduate course. Okay, and if you get selected, your uh, benefit of a scholarship is 6 lakhs over the duration of the degree program. That means you will be given 6 lakhs over the duration of your degree program, that is PG program. Documents required for applying this particular scholarship is applicant's passport photograph, address proof, current resume, mark sheet of class 10 and 12 board examination, mark sheet of GATE entrance examination if applicable, official transcript or mark sheet of undergraduate degree, bona fide students certificates of current college or institution of enrollment, two essays, personal statement and statement of purpose, two references letters, one academic year and one character, one academic reference letter and one character reference letter is also required. Experience certificate or letters from work experience or internships is also required. Official disability certificate issued by relevant government authority if you are a disabled student. How can you apply for this particular scholarship? You should actually click on this apply now button. After that you have to follow certain instructions. Those instructions I will be explaining you at the end of this particular scholarship eligibility criteria for undergraduate students also. The eligibility criteria for undergraduate students is also given here. He or she should be a resident of Indian citizen and have passed class 12 with minimum 60% marks and attend a regular full-time undergraduate degree program in India. Okay, and attending a regular attending means he is going to pursue is full-time regular undergraduate program degree program. Have household income less than 15 lakhs per year, or the preference will be given to income less than 2.5 lakh students. Answer the mandatory aptitude test. You should have written the aptitude test. For PG program, the aptitude test is not required. For undergraduate students, mandatory aptitude test is required, which should be attempted by the students. The following students are not eligible. Students who are in the second year or higher of their undergraduate courses, that is have started their course from the academic year 2023-24. So the students have already obtained first year admission in 2023-24. Those students are not eligible for applying this particular scholarship. Only first year students are eligible to apply for this particular scholarship. Student pursuing their degree through online, hybrid, remote, distance or any other non-regular modes. Student have passed their diploma after class 12. So diploma completed students are not eligible to apply for this particular scholarship. Student pursuing a 2-year undergraduate degree. Student who do not have complete the mandatory aptitude test are found cheating during this test. So those students who have not cleared this mandatory aptitude test, or those who are not who have not attempted this mandatory aptitude test are also not eligible to apply for this particular scholarship. Even those students who attempted this test and they found cheating during this test are also not eligible to apply for this particular scholarship. As part of this particular scholarship, you will be given 2 lakhs over the duration of the degree program. Okay, so the documents required for this particular scholarship application is applicant's passport photograph, passport size, address proof, permanent address, mark sheet of class 10 and 12 board examination, board bona fide students certificate of current college or institute of enrollment, family income proof issued by the Gram Panchayat, ward councillor, sarpanch, income proof issued by SDM, sub-divisional magistrate, divisional magistrate, CO, officer in commandant, officiating commandant, or tahsildar. Official disability certificate issued by relevant gram government authority is also required. If you want to apply for this particular scholarship, actually you should register yourself in buddyfirststudy.com website. After that, you have to land into the online application form page. If you have not registered, you should register, and then after that you have to um, apply for this particular scholarship. Okay, once you click on this apply now button, you will be land into online application form page. There you will be redirected to Reliance Foundation Undergraduate Scholarship 2024 or 25, respectively for the undergraduate scholarship. And if it is for postgraduate student, the name will change here. Reliance Foundation Postgraduate Scholarship 2024-25 application form page. After that, you have to fill out the online eligibility questionnaire. If you fulfill the eligibility criteria, you will be sent an email invitation with login information to apply through Reliance Foundation application portal. Then you have to log into the application portal using your username and password, which will be received in your email after you are if you meet the eligibility criteria. Once you completed the eligibility questionnaire, okay, fill out the scholarship application form and upload the necessary documents, and you can submit the application. Okay, actually this application procedure is given with a demonstration in my 2023-24 application procedure. The link will be given in the video description. You can follow that video and you can simply apply. Okay, you can simply apply this particular scholarship, so that if you fit the eligibility criteria and you can be part of the particular scholarship program. Okay, you have to answer mandatory aptitude test for undergraduate courses, and for postgraduate students they should have attempted the gate examination, and their gate score should be in the range of 550 to 1000. Then they can participate in this application program. Okay, then if you meet the eligibility criteria and you fit the eligibility criteria, you will be given this particular scholarship. If you have any doubts, you can contact me by commenting the video, so that I will answer your questionnaire or queries, and I will help you throughout the application procedure. Okay, wish you all the best for your scholarship program. So, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and in fact, in future, if you want to receive any further updates from my YouTube channel regarding any upcoming scholarship application procedures, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and get benefit out of this channel. Thank you once again for watching this video. Wish you all the best for your career.